Here's the hood so far too. Sanding the shit out of it. Or wire wheel on it, whatever. Throw another coat of paint on there. See how it looks. We also got all this shit kind of buckled up a little bit. Just waiting for the covers to dry and bolt those fuckers back on there. This one's a little bit further behind. We still gotta wait for the black to dry and then tape it off. But that's first coated the red on there. Looks good so far. Here, that's a little bit of Bondo and lots and lots of hours of sanding and wire wheels and yeah, about to get some primer. See what it looks like after a coat or two. Alright, multiple coats of primer and some gloss black. Just put the hood back on. Definitely a lot shinier than the rest of the car, but looks really good. Hopefully I don't chip and all that bullshit. This is just basically gonna be my rust protector for my Plasti Dip. Just get a good base coat going underneath. Yeah. That's it.